For our first stop in Ecuador, we took a 3-hour bus ride from Quito and were collected by a pickup truck and then mules, which we helped drive uphill on the 90-minute trek to reach Reserva Los Cedros. The reserve is a quiet, peaceful place run by Jose and his 2 part-time staff. We lodged in a wooden bunkhouse high up in the rainforest. The reserve's amenities included the occasionally functional gas showers and outhouses, all with amazing views of the surroundings. Accommodation was basic but homely, and with plenty of opportunities to relax in the many hammocks. We woke up just before 6 AM for a spot of birdwatching before breakfast, after getting bitten like crazy. Toucans could be seen right outside the bunkhouse, and many species of bird were seen darting about, catching butterflies and moths. It was a great way to start each day. We harvested bananas straight from the tree and enjoyed a variety of different foods. Three dogs live at the reserve, which is surrounded by amazingly diverse insects, plant life and waterfalls. After breakfast, we would go to work. We spent most days hacking through dense rainforest with machetes to help keep the trails clear and usable. Our guide, Fausto, had a keen eye for spotting animals. We explored the stunning surroundings and helped mark the trails to prevent people getting lost in this ever-changing and bewildering environment. One job included carrying wood down a 40-minute trail to repair the bridge. The roof was full of holes, causing much of the bridge to rot. We ripped up the old rotted boards and cut new ones to fit. And added a temporary roof to prevent further rot. We also did some gardening, helped fetch mules, and cleared leaves around the micro hydroelectric plant. And we added a new greenhouse roof. In the evenings we would relax up at the main station, write diaries, wonder at the hummingbirds, and maybe play a little bit of ping pong. Trying to eat my pancakes. By being here, we helped keep trails open and keep the reserve functional. We helped patrol the trails to protect the reserve from the interests of the mining companies and keep them open to help drive the ecotourism which funds the reserve. We were lucky enough to encounter some friendly howler monkeys on our travels. The reserve is located on a natural fresh water source, and you can drink from just about anywhere. There was still plenty of time to explore the reserve's beautiful waterfalls and find some time for play. There was barely a part of my body that wasn't cut, blistered, bruised or bitten, but we really couldn't be happier. And it was such a shame to leave this place after such an epic journey. But we knew more exciting chapters awaited.